What's up? Just made a life training update, sort of. Now I want to talk about cable machines. Some of these cable machines are not the specified weight they claim they are. I haven't been accused of fake weights. I haven't been accused of anything like that. But like my arm wrestling back pressure movement, there's certain cable machines at that gym, 2 of them in particular. I've never used any of them in a video, but I can demonstrate what I'm talking about in a different video. I'll call it like fake cable weights back pressure, 200 pounds, or one arm 150-pound push down fake cable weights. Do something like that to kind of show what I'm talking about. But yeah, there's some cable machines at the gym, like there's a 150-pound stack, but it is not. It might actually weigh 150 pounds, but the pulleys make it significantly easier. I can do a one-arm tricep push down with that. I've seen guys uploading videos of them doing similar stuff. Here's the thing. I mean, unless you're like Julius Maddox or Eric Spoto or someone like that, you're not one-arm tricep push down 150 pounds. You're not doing that. So, yeah, there are 2 cable machines, and I want to point this out. I mean, I don't use fake weights. I don't do any of that crap. I don't want to cheat myself. So, I mean, in the future, I'd hope to do some collabs, certain YouTubers. This is the future. I'd hope to get to meet lots of people, and yeah, I want to be who I say I am. Nothing to hide. I mean, whenever I find glitches and showing strength or whatever, I'm pretty open about it, just like right now. But yeah, some of these cable machines. Another one is this double rowing. So it's a seated row, and it has 2 handles. It has 2 pulleys coming out of it. But for some reason, doing it with one hand is easier than doing it with 2. So, like me, 260-pound seated row, it's kind of challenging. And then, unless I want to treat it like a yoga session, then it turns into a whole different exercise. Turns into like a freaking bicep curl when you go that slow. What else? But yeah, doing it one arm though, oh no, that's easier than 2. Like if you just grab one of the handles, that's easier than 2. Interesting. And I mean, it's easy. I mean, it feels like I'm doing a 120-pound dumbbell row. So yeah, I mean, I could literally have 2 of these 260-pound cable machines if they're side by side, and I could do a one-arm seated row with them. That's how easy it is. Am I really doing a one-arm 500-pound seated cable row? No, I'm not. The cable exercises, when they actually have free weights or like real weights, I found are slightly harder. Like my cable pressing, it's a little bit harder than a dumbbell. Probably about 20% harder. Cable curls, about 10-15% harder doing a cable strict curl versus on an actual bar and free weights. I've noticed these things. Cables are actually, they're harder. If you're curling more on a cable than you can with the actual dumbbell, then yeah, there's something up. I mean, I remember when I was 14 and my bench press, I just started working out. I remember at the time I could bench press like right at 200 pounds. A couple months before I turned 15, I weighed like 110, 120. Very strong for that size. We had this weight room. It had all these weight stacks. And I videoed me doing it. Keep in mind, this is 10 plus years ago. But, yeah, video of me doing 150 pound tricep pushdowns. But yet my bench press was like 205. Yeah, that's kind of my point. You don't tricep push down what you bench press. Because I did it for like 15 reps. But yeah, that's kind of my point. And these were, I don't know what they were. Life Fitness. Very good quality high-end gym equipment. But again, if I was buying some high-end gym equipment, I received these, and I got a 150 pound weight stack that was that easy, I'd be really sad and really upset. Oh man. Damn. My shoulders kind of bother me, ironically, from carrying all the groceries in one trip. One arm, because I had to lock the car and unlock home with the other hand. So what I did is I had all these gallons of milk, probably, I don't know, we're talking 8 pounds a gallon, and groceries, I don't know, something else too, but orange juice, chicken, probably like 80 pounds worth of bags in this hand. And I had to walk upstairs, and I've done a chest and shoulder workout today, so they're kind of cramping up. And it was like I was holding it here, I was pulling back, and my shoulder, the front deltoid, just freaking mega cramp. I couldn't do anything about it. So, yeah. But yeah, it's kind of bothering me right now. It went into like a super Charlie horse mode from the 80 pounds of groceries pulling down on it. So, carrying groceries one trip, one arm. Yeah, I shop the Kroger's around here. It stays open till 1 in the morning. So I'm not much of a people go out kind of person. So, but yeah, I just wanted to talk about the cable machines. I don't know what to call this video. I'll think about it.